What's going on, family? It's your boy Black Feniks checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to talk to you about the Welding and Hip-hop Seminar that I have been working on, trying to put together to teach once a month. Want to try to kick it off here in the Phoenix area first, and then, travel with it and be able to teach other people how to be entrepreneurs and how to start their own welding business independently, or how to get the trade to be able to work to get financially stable, and also how to use hip-hop. And why I say hip-hop, because hip-hop is a main influence in this generation, especially dealing with our kids, dealing with the culture of selling things, dealing with the culture of buying things, of how we spend our money, how we look at things. So I say welding and hip-hop because I want to let this generation know that it's very important to learn the skill and to break down the cliches of thinking that you have to jump through so many loops in order for you to get the skill. I want to teach you the skill, how to do it. I want to show you how to start your business, or how to be independent, or how to be able to work for someone else to get that check if that's what you want to do. But the main thing is, I want to teach you how to be independent. I want to show you how to get a trade. And welding is very important and very universal. And I think it's important because learning the field of welding, it's like you can never go without a job, regardless of what the industry do. All you do is just change industries, but you're still welding, from welding outside, from welding inside, from welding factories, from welding in plants, you see what I'm saying, from welding in shops, from custom fabrication to creating, to building, to art. There's so many different things that you can do. So I think that teaching a person how to weld and how to think outside the box can change the next generation. So I just want to give back what I'm good at. And since I'm good at, at welding, and also good at teaching it, I want to be able to help my people and those who want to learn how to get to that next level. And I want to call it Welding and Hip-hop Seminar, because I want to be able to encourage you first and show you that it can be done, being a living example. And then also teach classes and fun seminars where you can also be able to get hooked up in your city where the welding classes are not expensive, or I can help you find some, whatever the situation is. I want to be able to change things for us. So like I say, I'm working on a couple things now, and I'm going to call it, like I say, Welding and Hip-hop Seminar. And I'm going to try to kick it off most definitely here first in Phoenix, and see how I go. I believe I can get some people who want to do it to get involved in it, to even take this class or seminar, or to want to start some tutoring. So there's many ways to look at this, but like I say, I want to be able to give back, and also make a financial, make a good income off what I'm doing, but be able to give back too. So you got to think of the people that I'm helping. Not only am I making money, but I'm helping others make more money and better money, and get out of debt. So that's my goal with this seminar. So like I say, if you think it's something that you might want to be a part of, or that you might know someone that want to be a part of it, man, share it with them, man, and say, hey man, follow this guy, he got a couple things going on. And as I get more ideas and get things together, I'm gonna be presenting them to you through photos, through videos, and just kind of showing you my goal with it. Like I say, I'm winging this first one, so I don't really have I have a ulterior motive, but as far as a design, I'm just gonna kind of build it as I go. And because, like I say, I want it to be new, I want it to be fresh, I want it to be interesting, and I want to be able to gain people's attention and just show them that welding and hip-hop changed my life. So I want to be able to change somebody else's life. Hold on.